Hello and welcome to a new Minecraft server tutorial. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Worldguard plugin in Minecraft. The Worldguard plugin is a plugin that is used to protect your server from griefers, from regular players being able to break things that they're not supposed to be able to break, to disable PvP, all this nice cool stuff. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use that. Okay, so first you want to type /-1. Oh, by the way, you do need World Edit installed to use this plugin just because of the features World Edit has. Like, for example, the main one that it needs is this. So what you need to do to start working on it, you can either do rg flag underscore, and then you can just go here, global PvP deny, and that disables PvP in the global world, or this world specifically. It doesn't disable it in any multiverse worlds. Okay, so let's say we wanted to change a section of that to have different permissions. So we go in here with the World Edit wand, go up here, up one, another World Edit command, and then you, by the way, if you don't know how to use World Edit, please check out my previous World Edit tutorial. It is very useful. I worked really hard on it. It was a couple months ago. It still works, even though it was made in 2023. So yeah, please do check that out. It'll be linked in the description. Okay. So, like, we were defining the world. Okay, so let's say we want to define the world as something called, what should we call it? We can call it Astro. So, rg define Astro. And then that will define it, be named Astro. So, once again, so this is how you would edit the global world. But, what if we want to just edit Astro? Well, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is replace global with the word Astro. And then we can change some stuff. So first of all, we see that pass through. It says here that pass through is disabled. What this basically means is that it disables PvP, it disables block breaking, it disables everything that a player wouldn't need at, say, a spawn point. So let's say you had a world spawn and you just decided to set the region. You wouldn't have to do anything past that usually. But sometimes plugins can be buggy. So one thing that you might need to do, though, is interact allow. And that will allow things to interact with, like, PCs and stuff if it doesn't work. So yeah, that's how that works. So let's say we want to disable pass-through and set up our own custom regions. So once again, it would be rg flag astro pass-through allow. And now you're able to blocks and stuff, even if you deopt. Okay. By the way, none of these region flags will affect you except for PvP if you're an operator. So yeah, don't just op random people. It's generally not a good idea to do that. Okay, so now that we have that set up, let's say we want to disable building. Okay, not breaking. So what if we want to disable building but not breaking? Say we're in a prison server where we don't want to be able to build in the map, but we want to be able to break in the map. Okay, so what we would do, obviously, I think you're understanding the gist of this right now, is you want to do rg flag astro build allow, and then I think it's break. I haven't set this up in a while. Oh yeah. So by the way, here is if you get something wrong, it will give you a list of the things, and this is what I wanted. We don't need this. I never use that. So we have rg flag astro block break, and then we want to set this to deny. Now, if I were to deopt myself, it would make it so I was not able to break blocks by what? Oh, sorry. Did I set? I set that wrong. Yeah, no, I set that right. So I set the opposite of what I was saying, but basically you can build in here, but you can't break in here. Sorry, I messed that up. But yeah, that's the gist of Worldguard. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks you for watching, and bye-bye.